This is the practice test for percents, and here we're working on problem number 10. And the problem states, although nutritionally breakfast is the most important meal of the day, only 1/4 or 1 out of 4 of the people in the United States consistently eat breakfast. What percent of the population is this? So what we are asked to do here is take the fraction 1/4 and change that into a percent. And if you look at the top of your handout sheet, you have an example of that given to you, and you could follow that example. The fraction 1/4, we could change it to a decimal number. A fraction is always the top number divided by the bottom. 1 divided by 4 on your calculator will give you 0.25. So this is a decimal number. To change a decimal number to a percent, we multiply by 100, and we end up here with 25%.